What's up, internet? This is Matt here, and fresh off the UPS truck, I have the NOMAD base station. And this is a wireless charging dock that can charge two devices at the same time wirelessly. Also, you can plug in an additional device via USB-A or USB-C. In a sense, you can do two wired and two wireless. And on the box, you'll notice that there's an AirPod there that is just sitting on there charging. Well, currently Apple does not offer a wireless charging case for their AirPod. It has been very rumored for it to come out this month, so I'm really interested to see what Apple does there. So NOMAD must know something that we don't, and I'm pretty sure that means that a new case is coming out. If you have a lot of gadgets like me, this is the charging station that you'll need. Included in the box, you're gonna get a power adapter, and it is a world adapter. You're gonna get all the plugs just in case you want to travel abroad. It retails for 99 bucks, and not only do you get the dual wireless charging, but it is the fast charging. So you get up to 10 watt output, which is amazing for the iPhone 10, 10s, and 10s Max. Also, if you have any Android devices that support fast charging like Samsung Note 9 or S9 or anything like that, you'll be able to get fast charging. The USB-C port on here also supports 18 watts power deliveries. So the build of this is an aluminum and leather construction. So you're getting a leather top to, keep your phone nice and, protected, as well as scratch free. The USB-C port on here does charge at 18 watts, and it is power delivery. So you could charge a high power device with it. For example, you can charge your iPhone 10 50% in about 30 minutes. So that is always great. NOMAD products are very new to me. This is my first time purchasing a NOMAD product. So another thing that this charging pad features is it has 3 wireless coils. So this doesn't mean you can charge 3 wireless devices at the same time. What this means is that you have 2 devices on there at the same time, but you can also do one if you wanted to lay it horizontally. But if you wanted to lay 2 devices, you would have to do it vertically. Well, guys, thank you for watching. That has been my unboxing of the NOMAD base station. I plan to do a follow-up in a couple weeks or so whenever I get used to it and I get an opportunity to play around with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.